Hi guys, I'm Shreya Dev here. So today I'm going to show you how to make a, a virtual friend program which can talk to you in Python. So for that we need to download Python. So for downloading Python, just open any browser. After opening, type python.org. So I've opened python.org, then just hover above downloads, and here you will see your operating systems. So just select your operating system. My operating system is Windows, so I'll just select that. So from this list, just download the Python version which is compatible with your laptop. I recommend you to download from the stable releases section. So I will download Python 3.8.8. So this one matches my computer. So I'll just click on it. So I'll wait for it to download. So it has downloaded. Now I will open this. I'll click on run. Take this option, add Python 3.8 to path, and click on install now. After this, just keep on clicking next. I will not install this. I will not download this on my laptop because I have already downloaded Python. So in my laptop I'll close this. So after it gets downloaded, you can close your browser. Then just press the Windows button and type cmd. Here type pip install pyttsx3. This command tells Python to install the Python text-to-speech package. So I'll just press enter. So I had already downloaded this package, so it is showing me the message requirement already satisfied. But in your case, it will take a few seconds to install. So after it gets installed, you can close cmd and again press the Windows button, and this time type IDLE and press enter. So this has opened. I'll put it to full screen. Now press on Ctrl N. So you can see a blank screen has appeared. So here I will type import pyttsx3. So pyttsx3 is the package which we had downloaded. We need that package in this program, so we imported that package in the program, and then we'll declare a variable named friend and pyttsx3.init. So this command tells the pyttsx3 to initialize and store it in the friend variable, and then we'll press enter and we'll type speech equal to input what do you want me to say. So this command means that this command will take the input from the user and it will store the input in speech, in the speech variable. Then we need to type friend dot say speech, and then we'll type friend dot run and wait. So that's all. So what these two lines means, it tells the friend where we have initialized the pyttsx3 package and stored in it. So it tells the friend variable to say whatever the user has typed in this command, and then it will run the, and this command tells the PyTT SX3 package to run the above commands. So after you have typed this, just go to run and click on this option, run module, so that we will test our program now. And it will show this message, source must be saved, OK to save. So we'll click on OK, and then it will ask us for location to save. So we will go on desktop and we'll save it with the name as virtual talking friend, and choose save as type as Python files, and then press save. So after it has saved, this will open and it will ask what do you want me to say. So I'll just type that, I'll just type you are my friend, and now press enter. So I hope you could hear that. So this Python program told you are my friend, so it is really working. So we'll try it again. Just go to run module, class meeting. You want me to say, I'll just type you are my friend. Okay, so now let's add one more functionality. When it says you are my friend, we also want this program to print whatever the user has typed. So we'll do that. Yes, so after taking the input, it will display whatever the user has typed, and then it will say it, and then it will run the program. So let's go and we'll again run it on module. So we'll click on okay, and then what do you want me to say? I'll again repeat the same thing. You can type even different things. So this time my name is Sam, maybe something like that. So I hope you could hear it. So thank you very much for seeing this video. I hope you like this video. Please press the like button and please click on the subscribe button, and please click on the bell icon next to it so that you are notified about all my upcoming videos. Thank you and goodbye.